You know, that's working there.
I didn't think he liked it. That's probably like his first sweet thing he's ever had. He's like, oh my god. By the time we're done, his stomach will be sagging on the floor.
No, he's got a good inch or so.
Is he gonna eat that?
Can he?
He's gonna choke on it.
He's not gonna be able to chew that. So that's what I do. I just sit here with the camera.
$1,000 pig. In case he's got it on video record that you did it, so.
He did it.
Well, it's so disgusting.